Fans, Tamarack here, and I'm back with another video. I am in a somewhat weird location. I am at Jay Haunts' house. Jay Haunts is behind the camera. And this was a birthday gift to me from him. It is the black jumping spider. I did have one of these, but it broke. So now I have another one. So let's get straight into the build. Alright, here he is. Why are you hitting the lights?
Do it again.
Alrighty, everybody. After that whole attempt, thank you guys so much for watching. This is Tamarack. Happy haunting.